It's about time I started up with testing 22 ammo. So what I got here, just my usual bulk stuff they throw in a box. This actually has been pretty good, especially for reliability. I haven't had any misfires yet, you know, where it click and it doesn't go boom. But what I have here is Aguila, and I went for the rifle match competition, and then also their super maximum. This is the stuff that's supposedly going 1700 feet per second, but we're gonna find out because I got my old chrono here. And what I've done, I loaded it up with 5 shots of the Browning, then 5 shots of the Aguila, and then, well, the Aguila competition, I meant to say, and then of the super maximum. So we're just going all across the board here. Let's see how it goes. Accidentally, I lost count. So we'll just have to, you know what, we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. 1044. Okay, so these last 5 should be the super maximum. We'll see how high it actually gets. A little bit off, isn't it? So we're coming up short. Could be because there's a recommended barrel length. I think for the competition they recommend 24 inches. I think the barrel length of my little 22 plinker is only about 18. Well, now we do the what? Oh, someone's pulling up. Well, I finished that just in time. So next we're going to do the accuracy portion. Okay, so second round of this 22 ammo lineup, and I did much better with the Browning ammo. That is a very sexy group. So whether that's by rhyme or reason, that said, my competition, the match bullets, that one's slightly opened up, but you can see there, it's still very much in the same area. And then the super performance up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go. I was like, where is it? There it is. And still very much in the same general area. So none of those was really a fluke. So yeah, very impressed by Aguila and their match competition. And the super performance, I mean, it's fun, but see, baby Jesus, just remember that when you switch ammo types, You also have to re-zero your rifle. That's fun.